Hey, this is Jen Merritt from ConsciousWebPresence.com. I'm going to show you how to add a video to your website. So if you're new to editing a website, you can look up the web editor and get a free video course on how to create a website. If this is for you, Nancy, you can log into your editor, scroll down to where you want your video to be. There's a container here. If you scroll the mouse up, you'll see that next container. Then I'll go over to Elements. I'll look for YouTube video since we're adding a YouTube video. I'm going to click on it, and then with it clicked, I'm going to drag it over. You'll see a green line where you're dropping it, and then I'm going to let go of the mouse. That opens up the video. Then I will go over here to the YouTube video where it says share. I will copy that link, go back to the web editor, and paste in that link. That's it. Click save. And now if I go to your website, here's your video. And you can press play. Now let's say you didn't want the video going across the whole page, then I would go here. I'll go to Elements. I'm going to drag this container. So I clicked over container. When the green line shows up, I take my mouse, I unhold the mouse. That puts a container in here. Now I'm going to go to the YouTube video. I'm going to do 3 little dots, say cut. Then I'll go in here and say paste. That didn't do it. So I'm going to take the YouTube container, drag it to this box lines up, and then drop it in. So now maybe we'll add a header tag. So I'm going to Command C to grab the H2, Command V to paste just this one element. I want to realign it. So that's above. I'm going to say add content spacer. I'm going to make it 30 pixels. And then this video, I'm just going to grab that title, but you can go in and click on this and change this title to whatever you would like it to be. If you wanted to add a little text box around it, you might say edit, copy for the spacer. And then I'm clicking on the video content, the video, and then saying edit, and then I'll say paste to put the spacer down. And then I'll say add content text, and then you can type in and then you can add a little blurb here, or feel free to make adjustments to this video and this title. So that's it for adding a video to your web page. Have a beautiful day.